my last day in Iceland, I painted on plein air along the coast in Reykjavik, a coastal scene with the mountains in the background, and just moments later, a kind man bought it right off my easel. Let me tell you how it happened. Iceland's breathtaking landscapes are an artist's dream. Rugged coastlines, towering mountains, and dramatic skies that shift in colour and light. On my last day in Reykjavik, I painted a coastal scene on plein air, not knowing it would lead to an unforgettable moment and a chance encounter. The week in Iceland had been nothing short of magical. Dramatic views everywhere I looked. I'd already painted in Vikisfara black sand beach earlier in the trip, but Reykjavik's coastline offered something unique. The crisp air, the sound of waves and the snow-dusted mountains in the distance made it the perfect spot for my final plein air painting. I set up my easel near the water as the light started to change rapidly. Warm sunlight lit up the mountains and the clouds above the mountains, contrasting beautifully with the turquoise ocean. With a red pencil, I quickly sketched the scene, capturing the essentials before the cold set in. It's a race against time in the winter, not just for the fleeting light, but for your own comfort. Your hands go numb fast when you're painting outside. Mine do anyway. As I worked, a few passers-by stopped to watch. It's always a special moment to share your process, even briefly. One man, in particular, seemed captivated. As I painted the final details, a man approached, drawn to the artwork and the scene itself. We started chatting. He was from Australia, and we shared stories about our travels. After a few minutes, he made me an offer, and just like that, my painting found a new home. I handed him my business card and asked him to send me a photo once it was framed. If you've ever wondered how to sell your artwork on the spot, here's my advice. First, be visible. Painting in public invites curiosity, and it's these moments that often lead to connections. Second, be approachable. Engage with people who stop to chat and show genuine interest in your work. Third, make the sale on location while the person is still interested. Once they walk away, they might forget what inspired them to buy it in the first place. And this has happened to me many times before, where I've tried to contact the potential buyer and I've not heard back from them, whereas beforehand, they were very happy to buy on the spot. In my case, in this situation, the buyer didn't have pounds on him but offered euros instead. I was happy to negotiate even though the exchange rate wasn't quite as strong for me, because the moment felt right, and I could always use euros for my next trip in Europe. Plus, he was friendly, funny, and genuinely enthusiastic about my painting, which made me feel good about giving him a deal. A sale isn't just about money, it's about sharing your art with someone who truly values it. Thanks so much for joining me on this plein air adventure in Iceland. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, it really helps support the channel. Have you ever sold artwork on location or thought about trying plein air painting? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. In an upcoming video, I'll be sharing more about my plein air painting experience on the iconic black sand beach in Vik, as well as some stunning Icelandic landscapes I explored while searching for the perfect places to paint. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. And don't forget to download my free ebook, Maintain Artistic Flow and Productivity, for tips on staying inspired as an artist. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.